Hello everyone. Welcome to the Xevole channel. Today we will open and use free Microsoft Office programs online with you. Let's go to Chrome and type Microsoft Office online in the search box. Let's go to the first link. If you want, you can either create an account or log in to an existing account. As you can see, we have opened programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint for free. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos and like.